Hello students. So today we are going to start chapter number 4 of class 7 algebraic expression. So in earlier classes also you know about variables and constant, and in this section today we will discuss about algebraic expression. So first of all try to know what is algebraic expression. So algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants along with fundamental operations of math. Fundamental operations of maths. So what are fundamental operations of math? Addition, multiplication, division and subtractions. And constant and variables, students pay attention and listen properly. Constant means fixed values which will never change, which will remain as it is, and variables are changeable. So all the alphabets A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are called variables or literal values, and 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8, these are the fixed values, these are called constant values. Once again I am repeating, constant means fixed which will not change, and variables means changeable. All the alphabets are variables, and all the alphabets are variables, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are the fixed values, so these are called constant. So I think you have understood what is definition of algebraic expression. The combination, so I am writing 4x plus 9. So 4 is the coefficient of x. X is variable and this is fixed value, it means constant value. And 9 also constant. So 4x plus 9, this is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. So I hope you have understood the definition of algebraic expression. The combination of variables and constant along with fundamental operations of math are called algebraic expression. Another example, 4y square multiplied by 3x. This also algebraic expression. 3 4 are 12 x y square. So this is algebraic expression. Now operations on algebraic expression, it means their addition, their subtraction and their multiplication and their divisions. In this section we will discuss about this. I hope there should be no problem if you will listen and you will do practice, so you will be able to solve the problem. Now exercise is some questions related to the algebraic expression. First exercise, an apple weighs 75 grams and one orange weighs 40 grams. The weight of X apples and Y oranges is. Open your book and see the statement. First question. The one apple weighs 75 grams. Weight of one apple. Weight of one apple. 75 gram. Weight of one orange. Weight of one orange. Weight of one orange is 40 grams. 40 grams. So we have to represent this statement in the form of algebraic expression. So we have to find the cost of weight of X apples and Y oranges. So weight of one apple is 75 grams. Then weight of X apples. What will the weight? Weight of one apple is 75 grams. So weight of X apples will be, it means we have to multiply, you already know. So if the cost of one pen is 5 rupees, what will the cost of 2 pens? You will multiply by 2. So same thing, the weight of one apple is 75 grams. So how many apples are there? X. So multiply X with 75. So it will be 75 grams. 75 X gram. So 75 X gram. Now weight of one orange, what is 40 gram? Then weight of Y orange, 40 Y gram. 40 Y gram. Now we have to represent this statement in the form of algebraic expression. So total weight will be 75x plus 40y. 75x plus 40y. So this will the algebraic form of this statement. Understood? Because weight of one apple was 75 gram. So how many apples are there? X apples. So weight of X apples multiply 75 by X. So it will be 75x. Weight of one orange is 40 gram. Then weight of Y orange, because I assumed it is given Y apples. It means X apples and Y orange. So multiply by Y. So it will be 40y. Total weight will be 75x plus 40y grams. Understood? Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. Rohan spends rupees X daily and saves rupees Y per day. Rohan saves every day how much rupees? Rohan saves every day rupees. How much he saves? Rupees X. Rohan spends every day. Spend every day. How much? He spends how much? Y rupees. Rupees Y. So after 3 weeks. So 1 week has how many days? 7 days. So in 3 weeks, how many days are there? 21. So in 1 day he saves rupees X. So in 21 days he will save, multiply by 21. It means 21x. So every day he spent rupees Y. He spends rupees 5. So in 21 days how much he will spend? So it means 21y. So Rohan spends rupees X daily and saves rupees Y per day. What is his income after 3 weeks? After 3 weeks, his income will include with saving and expenditure. It means both, because what I am getting, so I will save from that one and I will expend also. So it means saving and expenditures, if we add, we will get the total income. So after 3 weeks, his income, it means 21x, and expenditure also will be added. So 21x plus 21y. So this is his income after 3 weeks. Students, don't confuse, try to understand. Suppose you are getting 100 rupees and it means per month, for it means buying some things for your study. So you spend 50 rupees and you save 50 rupees. So total you get 100. So means expenditure is 50 and saving also 50. So total by adding will get. It means expenditure and saving, if both will be added, that will be equal to total income. So in 3 weeks he will spend 21y and he will save 21x. It means total will be the income. So after 3 weeks his income will be this one. It means 21x plus 21y. Any doubt, any confusion? Understood? Okay. Now next, question. The sum of x and y is added to y. Second question, one part I am taking. The sum of x and y is added to y. The sum of x and y. The sum of x and y. It means it will be equal to x plus 5. X plus 5. And it will be added to y. It will be added to y. So x plus 5 plus y. So it will be equal to x plus y plus 5. So this is the algebraic expression of the given statement. In exercise 4.1 only these are the questions. I hope you will understand yourself. Okay, so this is all for today. In next discussion we will discuss about next topic. Okay, thank you.